Retail nigga got an automobile tech, got a goddamn raise with the dough out, yeah. Glock 23 and I'ma up this bitch.
Yeah, man.
I'm just asking you for shit.
Go ahead with that bullshit, bro.
For real, why?
Go ahead with that bull.
But I'm just trying to shake your hand.
I don't need to shake your hand. Go the fuck up.
New drip, shooter pop out with the pool stick. Effing and Draco extended 30 and it's sent on my hip. 35,000 for the brand new Rolly wrist.
Sir, do you have a napkin?
Fuck off.
Fuck off?
Yeah.
What'd you tell me fuck off?
Get away from me.
Are you racist?
Get the fuck away from me.
You done? Alright, one more time. Okay. I'm sure the video turned out. Let me see.
Milk with no dad again. Whoa, milk with no dad. Whoa, milk with no dad again. Whoa, milk with no dad. Whoa, milk with no dad again.
Why? I asked for a napkin. You good? I'm getting a napkin.
Fuck off, I said fuck off.
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have a napkin?
Hey, what?
Do you have a napkin?
Napkin?
Yeah. Napkin? Alright, thank you.
What's that?
Thank you.
Oh, sure, yeah. But
No?
you're not like this right now.
Alright. Alright. That's why I don't want to shake your hand. You might have the corona.
That's why.
Alright, man. Alright.
Coronavirus!
Excuse me, sir. You got a napkin? You got a napkin? You don't?
A what?
Napkin.
No.
You don't? Alright, my bad. Thank you.
Why would I shake your hand, man?
I'm just asking you for shit.
Go ahead with that bullshit, bro.
For real, why?
Go ahead with that bull.
But I'm just trying to shake your hand.
I don't need to shake your hand. Go the fuck on, man.
Hey, almost fell.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Why you running? Why you running?
What the fuck? You're not wearing a mask.
Mo, why you running?
Because you're not wearing a mask. And my wife just had lung cancer surgery.
Oh.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
Sir, do you have a napkin?
A napkin?
Yeah. You heard about the coronavirus? Shit crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I might have it though. No funny shit. So yeah, so you might have to. Yeah. So if I touch, is that okay?
Gay!
Oh, brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
Hey, sir. Do you have a napkin? A napkin? You don't have a napkin? Oh, okay. Thank you. Give me a dab, man. Boy.
Got him!
Boy. Damn, excuse Excuse me, do you have a napkin? Do you have a napkin? Oh, thank you. Thank you for asking. Oh, thank you. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Can I get a handshake? What?
Recovery, you're not supposed to handshake or any of that kind of stuff.
Why?
Because of the coronavirus?
The coronavirus is fake.
I would shake your hand any other time.
Alright. I actually want some Cheerios. What are you doing?
Don't take stuff out of
Shredded cheese. Fuck, bro. Excuse me, sir. Do you have a napkin? Do you have a napkin?
Do I have a napkin?
Yeah.
I know, I don't.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
That's fine. Corona, man. Come on.
Are you serious?
I am. Where are you from originally?
I'm from Sierra Leone.
You speak French?
No.
I'm from Africa.
Don't care, don't care, don't care, still don't care. I don't. What'd you say? I just want to know what you said.
I'm from Africa.
I don't care!
So, you don't have a napkin?
I don't. I wish I could.
Can I have a dap? That would be proper. Like, that's disrespectful.
You are disrespectful to me. Yeah.
What do you mean? I just want to.
It's coronavirus time.
But the corona is fake.
No, it's not.
Alright, let me get a hug.
Stop.
Right. And like, I don't know how I can get rid of it. And do you have like, are you like a nurse or a doctor?
No.
But like, coronavirus. Alright, thank you for helping. Thank you. Can I get a dap? Sir, can I get a dap? Oh shit.
I know you go to DC. I know you.
Is it?
I know all of you.
How you know?
I'll meet you there, man.
There's no warnings, he talk, he get stretched. I don't like when they talk out their neck.
What teacher are you?
I know you.
Who are you?
I'm serious. I know you very well.
What's my name? You geeking out?
No, I don't know you by name, but I know you very well.
Oh, alright.
I'll ask you to come to the office.
Alright. Yeah, get him out of here. Huh? Oh, what the? Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Sir, do you have a napkin? You don't have a napkin? Thank you. I can't get a dap.
Why didn't you shake me?
I'm just, thank you for not, being disrespecting, me.
Why you shaking people?
I'm not,
You know you're not supposed to shake people.
you right.
What's the point?
So, you right. That's my fault.
Jello beats, holla at me.
And Chewy on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga.